Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. Today's Monday, so happy Monday. Hopefully you had an enjoyable weekend. So we're going to just jump right into a recap of the overall markets. I know I didn't discuss the markets on Friday, but I think it's very fitting to discuss it today. And before I go forward, thanks for listening. Thanks for being here. Do me a solid. Thumbs up and comment in the comment section. So I thought today was definitely fitting to talk about today's market action. I'm not gonna again drag this out. I talked a lot about the SPY and price levels, but found it really curious that today once again we put up north of 7% on the day, north of 7% to close at 264.74. Now it's getting really interesting here. And full disclaimer, full disclosure, yes, I am still short the market, and I'm not going to let go of that position because, well, I feel like it's a sound one. But look, all right, keeping it short and light for you today. Let's wrap it up with ticker DAL. I talked about the airlines on Friday, I believe, after hours. It was reported that Warren Buffett had let go of some shares in Delta, I think over 150 million worth, and also was it Southwest? I believe it was Southwest. So very curious for me here. Look at this, right? So I thought, well, Warren is very curious. He's the type of person, and I've watched a couple of his trades in the past. He's the type of person that likes to sell into strength, right? And so for me, the only time I would see him actually letting go of his shares would be around here, these 4 trading days. So if he actually let go of the shares around here, very curious to me. But anyway, today's price action where you can see like a lot of volume come in, and let's pay attention to the open and the close. We opened at, although mind you, I think average trading volume is like 20 million, and today we traded probably over 90 million, right? So close to 5 times the daily volume we traded today. With all of that said, we opened at 22.31 and we closed at 22.32, essentially a round trip. We essentially closed at the same level that we opened up at. So that's very curious. Delta on my radar, on my watch list. From a risk reward perspective, 2076 clearly a defined risk. If we open up tomorrow, I can see this actually running and perhaps him unloading some more into strength. So putting Delta on my radar, on my watch list for potentially both a long and short trade. But considering price action today, very curious that we traded well over 90 million, unless he really wanted to contain, unless he wanted to get out at a certain price, and he's actually unloading today and wanted to sort of contain that selling, hence why we have that 20 to 23 range, hence why we opened and closed essentially at the same price point. But pay attention to this, right? You'll get to see him or how he operates. So yeah, let's cap it there. Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com. I know that was short, but if you enjoyed any portion of that, do 3 things for me. 1, like this video and comment in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are on SPY. Do you think we're ready to rally? Did we hit the bottom? Delta, are you just as interested, or did you find today's closing price just as interesting as I did? Again, comment in the comment section. 2, I do videos every single day, Monday through Friday, to ensure that you do not miss any. Definitely make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. And this is the last thing on a very slow but gracious Monday. Thirdly, right now what we're doing on our website is hosting a free 14-day trading course, essentially detailing a lot of the things that I've learned trading the stock market for the last 20 years. So if that's something that you're interested in, again, no pressure. If you have the free time, you're not working from home, you're not an essential worker, and you're not going through any sort of family struggles, and you're finding that, you don't have much to do with your time. If that is something that you're interested in, definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. I'll talk to you tomorrow.